By the conclusion of this video, you will gain valuable tools and insights to nurture trust, which will help to solidify and strengthen your relationship. If you are prepared to delve into the secrets of building a trust-filled relationship, then let's begin. Have you ever experienced moments of doubt or insecurity within your relationship, questioning the depth of trust you have in your partner? You are not alone. In today's discussion, we will explore the profound impact of trust in relationships and delve into effective strategies for establishing and nurturing trust to cultivate a strong, affectionate, and enduring bond. Trust forms the bedrock of secure, affectionate, and enduring relationships. It serves as the cornerstone for building open communication, fostering emotional intimacy, and creating a safe space for vulnerability. Why trust matters in relationships? Comfort and security. Trust brings comfort and security, making relationships feel like a haven. Loyalty. Loyalty is the backbone of trust, ensuring that both partners are dedicated to each other's well-being. Imagine a couple who have been together for years. They know each other's strengths and weaknesses, but what keeps them together is the unwavering trust that no matter what happens, they have each other's backs. This kind of trust allows them to weather any storm, big or small. The impact of trust on relationships promotes positivity. Trust allows for more openness and forgiveness, which fosters a positive atmosphere in the relationship. Consider a situation in which one partner forgets an important anniversary or date, such as a birthday or a special occasion. In a relationship rooted in trust, the other partner demonstrates understanding and compassion towards the mistake, recognizing it as a simple error rather than a deliberate act of neglect. Instead of allowing this situation to escalate into conflict, both partners can find humor in the mistake and address it with care and kindness. Reduces conflict. Trust helps in resolving conflicts by allowing partners to give each other the benefit of the doubt. In a healthy and trusting relationship, if one partner is delayed in returning home, instead of immediately assuming the worst, the other partner gives them the benefit of the doubt and waits to have a calm and understanding conversation about it. This approach ensures that both partners communicate openly and trust each other's intentions. Increases closeness. Trust builds a strong emotional bond, making both partners feel secure and close to one another. Communicate openly and honestly. Emphasize the importance of transparency and open dialogue. When feeling upset about something, it's important to communicate openly with your partner rather than keeping your feelings inside. Sharing your emotions can help prevent misunderstandings and strengthen the trust in your relationship. Own up to your mistakes. Discuss how taking responsibility for mistakes can strengthen trust. If you've accidentally broken a promise or made a mistake, it's important to take responsibility for it and demonstrate how you plan to rectify the situation. By doing so, you can transform a negative experience into a positive one and further strengthen the trust in your relationships. Use your mistakes as an opportunity to do better. Turn mistakes into learning experiences that enhance trust. When a partner overspends and puts a strain on finances, it's essential to acknowledge the mistake and work together to create a budget. This not only shows commitment to improving, but also builds trust by demonstrating accountability and a willingness to collaborate on finding a solution. Turning mistakes into learning experiences in this way enhances trust within the relationship. Avoid secrecy. Explain how secrecy erodes trust while openness builds it. For instance, rather than keeping a purchase a secret, consider being transparent with your partner about it and have a conversation about how it aligns with both of your long-term objectives. This honesty and openness can strengthen trust between you both and prevent any unwarranted stress or strain in your relationship. Improve on mistakes. Highlight the importance of learning and growing from mistakes. If you found yourself feeling emotionally or physically distant from your partner recently, it's important to recognize this and take proactive steps to rebuild the connection. By openly acknowledging the distance and demonstrating a genuine effort to reconnect, you can show your partner that you are dedicated to nurturing and strengthening the relationship. This transparency and commitment can foster greater trust and closeness between you and your partner. Engage in open communication. Discuss how consistent communication strengthens trust over time. Make it a point to have regular conversations with each other to discuss your emotions and any worries you may have. By maintaining this open line of communication, you can address minor issues before they escalate into major problems. And this practice helps to nurture and preserve the strength of the bond of trust between you. Summarize the key points discussed about building trust. Reiterate how trust is the foundation of a strong relationship and how following these tips can help deepen it. Trust is an important pillar in relationships, and the lack of it can lead to negativity, conflict, insecurity, depression, and anxiety. If your relationship is lacking trust, it's important to work with your partner to build it so that you can let your guard down and be vulnerable with each other. If you're struggling with trust issues in your relationship, stay tuned for the upcoming video where I'll teach you how to resolve them. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. How have you built trust in your relationships? Let's start a conversation and support each other's growth.